right, so what I've done, instead of using the really long cord and running it all around the car, I'm using the shorter cord, and I ran it to this power bank up here, and I'm going to Velcro this right here. Obviously going to have to keep an eye on the charge on the power bank and make sure it's always good to go. But that just made for a super quick and easy install.
Very nice. These are the wires and the little baby camera. Came with a small one, cords, and another suction mount. Also, if you review them, you will get a free microchip, or SD card, I'm sorry. Very cool. This is the box. But that's everything. Camera. Small camera with the cords. You can also use it as a backup camera. My truck already has a rear view camera, so I'm using it just for a regular camera. There you go. Very simple. Easy.
Alright, here's an unboxing of this HD car camera I got from Amazon. It's what is the brand of this thing? CHORTAU Dash and front rear dual dash cam. It's about 50 bucks. So here's the actual camera. Good size, nice display. There's the button on the side. Looks pretty good. Looks like you can see in the dark too on there. Now I just gotta, okay, for the SD card, I think it takes a 64 gig SanDisk mini. Here's the adhesive sticker. Power cord, power source. Goes into the cigarette lighter. It's for the rear camera. And there's another adhesive sticker. And then a little USB. What is this? This is a B input, I think, or a C. I'm not too sure. And then what is this? It's a warranty. Okay. Oh, they give you a free 16 gig. I might have to check that out. And then operating manual. That's about it. Time to get to work.
Anywhere I could possibly think of where
Camera I got for my vehicle.
Phone calls from anonymous people.
It's pretty small,
they
but
knew where Holly-Ann was. Just crazy.
it's full
things.
HD.
Unbelievable things.
But no one ever mentioned Audrey Lane.
No.
Only thing is the instructions is kind of hard for me to understand how
after being spotted on Holly
to
Street the day she
work it
disappeared. Now, 20
or
years later,
set it
the
up.
DA finally believes he has enough
But
evidence
I'm
to
gonna
get a
keep playing
conviction.
with it.
However,
But
there's
right now
another
it
issue
looks
that concerns local residents.
like a nice little
Brand
camera. I'm
will be
looking
up for
for it. I
parole
was
in less than
recommended
4
this
years,
by a family
which
member,
means he
so
may walk the streets once
thank you
again.
guys. I'll write another review, let y'all know how it went.
Is it good like that?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Nice. Everything.
A great package.